Vegan Keto Diet for Beginners Meal Plan. We know you've heard the benefits of the keto diet by now. The keto diet craze has reached right around the world and back again. Remember to subscribe, comment, share and like it. Click on the bell to be informed of the latest videos uploaded. Thanks. Why, you might ask? It is one of the few diets that can immensely increase your health and really change your life. We are here to not only overhaul your health but give you the option to join a plant-based keto craze. That can help you maintain your lifestyle and ethos at the same time as you achieve all those amazing health goals. Overhaul your health and transform your life for good. This isn't just another fad diet, this is a life-changing opportunity. The opportunity to not only feel lighter, healthier and happier but to have a life full of vitality. Get rid of those chronic health issues that you face day in and day out. Take control of your health and get on board with the ultimate overhaul, our plant-based keto diet. So let's talk keto? The ketogenic diet differs from traditional diets because instead of restricting yourself and counting calories, the diet is centered around the low consumption of carbohydrates and higher consumption of healthy fats. On this diet your body goes into a metabolic state of ketosis. Ketosis is a fat-burning state, when the body burns instead of carbohydrates, producing ketones that provide you with fuel and energy. With traditional diets, your body relies on carbohydrates to burn energy. This is also the reason most diets make you feel fatigued and weak because there is no proper replacement for the energy source. This is never the case on the ketogenic diet. Your fat sources will provide all the energy your body and brain needs. Remember to subscribe, comment, share and like it. Click on the bell to be informed of the latest videos uploaded. Thanks. Why our plant-based keto diet? On ketogenic diets you are consuming less carbohydrates and higher fat sources. This can be tricky to manage when you want a diet that is backed up by science and research but also want exclusively plant-based foods. It may seem tricky but that's why we're here. Our plant-based keto diet helps you navigate vegan keto plan with ease. We understand that everything we need can be found in nature in a sustainable and clean way. You deserve to be healthy without sacrificing your lifestyle. Each meal that you have should not only nourish your body but your soul. Plant-based diets are cruelty-free and eco-friendly. We created a keto diet with sustainability and kindness in mind. With our diet you will still consume low carbohydrates and keep your blood sugars balanced. But we give you tons of options of healthy fats that are vegan-friendly. Our diet is the perfect blend of keto and vegan. Why we care? The struggle of losing weight is something so many of us face. To include, the founder and creator of our Vegan Keto Diet plan. Our founder shares his emotional and psychological ups and downs, alongside the scale number constantly showing ups and downs. Remember to subscribe, comment, share and like it. Click on the bell to be informed of the latest videos uploaded. Thanks. While it may seem simple to some who haven't struggled with weight issues, a simple diet and hitting the gym doesn't always do the trick. Our founder not one discovered the benefits of living a plant-based diet but then hit next-level health when he discovered the keto diet. Combining the two was the perfect way to up-level his life and health. After perfecting the plant-based keto diet plan, it was time to share it with all of you struggling to conquer the battle that causes so many of us pain, exclusion and discomfort. We care because we know. Turn your pain into triumph. Make one simple choice towards change every day. Keep it simple, keep it vegan keto friendly. Our mission now. We want to spread the word, far and wide, that we are not going to give up on you and your struggle. We are here to support and to provide you with the ultimate solution. A plant-based diet that is cruelty-free and environmentally friendly while also encompassing all the amazing health benefits of a keto diet. You don't have to figure how to combine your lifestyle with the best choice for your health. We have done all that work for you. A convenient and stress-free plan that will keep you on track and on the road to a healthier you. Remember to subscribe, comment, share and like it. Click on the bell to be informed of the latest videos uploaded. Thanks. So head over to our site, our Vegan Keto Diet plan, and check out this amazing plan that is sure to get you as far away from your struggles and towards ultimate wellness. In the meantime, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. HNON. Link Keto Diet.